आज ट्रिपल आर का इंटरव्यू करने आई थी, लेकिन यहाँ पर मुझे ना एक और आर दिखाई दे रहा है, who's very quiet and you know I think she's getting protective about you all, right? बहुत वक्त से देख रही है। उनको भी लग रहा होगा ना कि सारा दिन बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया। When we say RRR, what does that mean?
Rise, roar and revolt.
अगर मैं आप तीनों से कहूँ
Rajmouli, Rajmouli, Rajmouli.
हाँ, it's all over, so it's written.
No, it is
बहुत
Rajmouli.
It's three Rajmoulis.
No,
Yes.
it is.
There's a Rajmouli in me, there's a Rajmouli in him, and there's a Rajmouli.
And that
in him.
shows.
Yeah, it does, it does.
That shows.
Because we are his vision, we are his actors.
दर्शकों से कहना चाहूँगी कि आज 3 महारथी मेरे साथ इस वक्त मौजूद है, तारक, राम और द राजामौली, जिनकी फिल्मों का इंतज़ार सिर्फ साउथ ही नहीं पूरी दुनिया करती है और फाइनली ही इज़ हियर। सो इसके ट्रेलर से लेकर मतलब इसकी जो भी हम लोगों ने देखा है, बीइंग द डांस स्टेप्स, हुक स्टेप्स, व्हाटएवर, वो रेज बनता जा रहा है। सर क्या है, क्या मतलब आप कुछ भी सोचते हो तब से वो शुरू हो जाता है, उसकी बातें शुरू हो जाती है?
I don't know. See, what happens is first when we write the story, obviously I'll be excited. That's the reason why I'm writing, and I also think, oh, people are going to love this. They will really love all the sequences, either the dance sequence or the action sequence and everything. But once I get into the details of making that scene, that euphoria will be gone. I am constantly worried about whether my thought is coming to the screen or not. There are many steps in between. I have to take all the steps perfectly, and that euphoria is gone. Then I become like everyone else. You know, when this is going, no, this should catch the attention of the audience. I'll be a little bit anxious about it, and when it really does, I'm super happy. I think this is the same with any filmmaker.
जी बिल्कुल। और कहा जाता है कि एक आइस की तरह शांत है और दूसरा शोला है। सो इन दोनों को साथ लाना या साथ एक पेज पर लाना और उनका जो गुण है उसे दिखाना, हाउ वाज इट? बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली जब आप कह रहे हो कि आप जब सोचते हो, फिल्म लिखना शुरू करते हो, तो vision is there and you know exactly what you want. So
see, let me tell you, they might have lakhs or crores of fans, mad fans, but
that we saw the other day.
Yeah, but no one is a bigger fan of them than me. Okay, I'm not just talking about NTR or Charan. I love them as my brothers, but in my film they are the heroes, and I love my heroes to the core, and I want my heroes to be presented in the biggest, best, hard-hitting way, as empathetic to the audience as possible. So I use my every trick in the book, every knowledge of filmmaking that I have. No, I use it completely to enhance them in the best way possible, because they are my heroes. I am very possessive about my heroes. I am very kicked up about showing my heroes in a great light. So that is how I work. And at the end of the day, after the film is done, like I said, they are fire and water, two super forces. But just that the way I can call them anything else, but the reason why I call them fire and water is like one is capable of destroying the other. Right, the fire and water, perfect opposites. That is what it is in the film. They are friends, but they fight against each other. They inspire each other to become much bigger than they are. Now, because I have all those emotions in them, I wanted Tarak and Charan, the fantastic actors, and also Tarak and Charan, two powerhouse superstars.
बिल्कुल, आप दोनों अपने अपने जगह पर सुपरस्टार्स हैं, आप लोगों के फ़ैन फॉलोइंग्स इतने ज़्यादा हैं, लेकिन अगर जब आप घर आते हो तो then you are like normal people, right? And when you meet each other, मैंने सुना है आप तीनों फ्रेंड्स भी बहुत अच्छे हो, तो जब आप बाहर होते हो तब एक अलग कैमरा दी है, लेकिन जब आप सेट पर आते हो सब अपने अपने चेयर्स को पकड़ते हैं. So मैं बिहाइंड द सीन कुछ अगर बातें कुछ नहीं, वहाँ भी वैसे ही.
कुछ बदलता नहीं. Set या home, we are the same. Only in front of the camera we are well behaved. We are Ram and Bheem. Off the camera we are in the set. We are Charan, Tarak, and
The bad boys.
yeah, the captain, the head,
Captain.
the bad captain,
अच्छा.
the senior. he's like the senior in college.
On sets, we are told what to talk exactly.
Okay. उतना ही बोलना है.
Behind we talk what we want.
आज मैं अगर कहूँ कि आप तारक, अगर आपको राम से कोई सवाल करना है और राजा सर से कुछ सवाल करना है, तो एक सवाल जो आपके मन में हमेशा आया होगा.
I think we've been very open enough to even ask
आप
questions.
हिंदी बोलो, आप बहुत अच्छी हिंदी बोलते हो.
जी नहीं, मतलब इनके बारे में इतना पता है मुझे कि अगर एक क्वेश्चन पूछूं तो क्या पूछूं मैं? क्या पूछूं मैं? हाँ, डायरेक्टर साहब के लिए.
अच्छा.
मेरा प्रश्न है कि अगर फायर और वाटर, ठीक है, दे बोथ आर टू डिस्ट्रॉय ईच अदर, अगर वो मिलते हैं बाय एनी चांस तो क्या होता है? व्हाट्स द रिजल्ट? उसका रिजल्ट क्या होता है?
बताइए.
See, fire and water, if they
क्योंकि I'll tell you from where my question is also coming. मैंने हजार और लाखों बार मैंने देखा है नेशनल ज्योग्राफिक चैनल पे. फिलहाल मैंने कभी वॉल्केनो को नहीं देखा मैंने, लेकिन जब वॉल्केनो और पानी मिलते हैं तो वो कुछ अलग तरीके का रिएक्शन है वो उधर. थोड़े बोलते हैं वो बहुत टॉक्सिक है, थोड़े बोलते हैं कि वो टॉक्सिक नहीं है. पानी फायर को खा रहा है या फायर पानी को उबाल रहा है, तो क्या हो रहा है उधर?
क्या
तो
हो
उसका
रहा है?
व्हाट इज द एंड रिजल्ट?
आप बताइए.
see, if they meet in unfavorable conditions, if the fire has more power and the water is less in quantity, the water will evaporate. But if the water is more in quantity and fire is less, then the fire will be put off. But if you meet them in favorable conditions, then out comes the steam, which will power your engine.
Yeah.
No, that's the whole idea of having the fire and water.
मिल गया जवाब.
That is what I wanted to, because I love the way he answered.
I know.
और चरण के लिए सवाल मेरा,
चरण हम
कब कर रहा है फिर से मिलके पिक्चर?
Absolutely.
कब?
When?
जल्दी से कर देंगे.
We'll leave it to God.
Absolutely, we leave it to God.
आप पूछिए.
राजमौली सर के लिए पहले, when will be
Next.
yeah, no, that his stories will decide. When will we come back working
Best,
together?
I'll give you an idea.
Give me some. Yeah. So, are we both going to be part of your Mahabharata?
देखो.
Of course, yes. Oh, okay, he wants another question. What are the characters you have in mind?
That I will see. The characters they write for Mahabharata will not be the same as you have seen before or as you have read before.
Okay.
I will develop them in my own way.
So fictional Mahabharata.
Yes.
Sorry, Mahabharata.
Mahabharata will
It's
be
a-
there,
yeah.
but the character will be enhanced, or the interrelations between the characters will be added. I will not
Same,
change, but they
audience
will
want
be
to
added.
know.
Yeah, I know. Audience want to know. The audience already made lists and lists of who should be who. I know that, but once I have written my characters, once I have written my Mahabharata, then I will decide who will.
यही होता है जब तीन दोस्तों को बात करने के लिए छोड़ दो, है ना? There's a child जो अंदर होता है, वो मैं देख रही हूँ जो आप उनको विस्पर कर रहे हो and he's asking. मुझे ये बताइए, जब इस तरह की पैन इंडिया फिल्म बनती है, मतलब हर एक प्रदेश में एक वो है कि कब ये फिल्म रिलीज होगी और हम जा कर के देखेंगे. There's the collaboration, अजय है, आलिया फ्रॉम नॉर्थ एंड आप है, तो ये जब मिलते हैं तो क्या होता है? बिकॉज हियर व्हाट आई सॉ द अदर डे, करण ने जो बातें कही कि मतलब इट्स ह्यूज, मतलब राजामौली सर की फिल्म, मतलब इट्स ह्यूज. सो जब आप मिलते हो यहाँ के एक्टर्स से तो वो कामरादी क्या होता है एंड आप क्या लेकर जाते हो अपने साथ?
कल्चरल एक्सचेंज होता है
जी।
इट्स अ कल्चरल एक्सचेंज, a cultural exchange between North and South of India. Finally, you realize after the exchange that we are all Indians.
Yeah,
Exactly.
Yes.
You understand that we are all Indians. So there's a lot of unknown patriotism happening there.
Yes.
It's a beautiful opportunity to just work with actors of that stature like Ajay Devgan and everything. Yes, we didn't share the screen space, but just knowing that he's there in our
He's
film,
there somewhere in the
one of the most important characters he's playing, the soul of RRR. I'm really eagerly waiting to see Ajay sir's episode.
You've not seen the film yet.
No.
Oh, I'm sorry.
नहीं मिला?
You should ask him.
Please ask
You
him.
didn't show
Why
the
didn't
film to
you
them.
show?
आप एक्टर्स को भी नहीं दिखाते, फ्रेंड्स को भी
I
नहीं
mean,
दिखाते?
until I completely finish the entire work, I don't
Imagine.
I don't like to
And that will be on
show
6th
my
January. And he'll ask us.
अच्छा, वो एक दिन पहले
Yeah, he'll show us only on 7th January.
Hopefully 6th January.
Hopefully 6th. If there is a premiere.
नहीं तो फिर हमारे साथ
On the
नहीं।
7th.
He'll send us tickets, we'll go.
घर पर क्या माहौल होता है जब इतना बड़ा ग्रैंडर दिखता है ट्रेलर्स के जरिए से ही? योर फैमिली क्या उनका क्या रिएक्शन रहता
Any
है?
film when it releases, we have a
They have-
festive. With him, when it comes, all the festivals
But-
come together, and then the
wait.
reaction is like he's celebrating all the festivals on that day.
Last time Sharan said it in an interview that when we are a part of RRR, our families have also become a part of
Yes.
RRR.
Yes.
So when we are eagerly waiting for RRR, they are also eagerly waiting for RRR. So it's what we are. Obviously, you know, हमारा जो stage होता है, status होता है, mental status will reflect on your house. घर का माहौल भी वैसा ही होता है.
वैसा ही हो जाता है।
तो फिर जब हम eagerly wait कर रहे हैं RRR के लिए, तो घर का माहौल भी वैसा ही है. Everyone's eagerly
Everybody
waiting.
is communicating in RRR language. Like my wife just went to a coffee shop, and there even the guy who's serving the coffee is talking to my wife in an RRR language. Like he made the
कैसे?
cappuccino, and उसके ऊपर R. He wrote, I mean, whatever, how they do it on a coffee.
On a cappuccino,
She's
yeah.
in Dubai, and she went to a coffee shop. She just sent me a picture saying, "What is this? People are only talking to me in RRR
इमेजिन
language."
सिर्फ
So
इंडिया
that's
में ही
how-
नहीं, पूरी देश दुनिया में
Yes.
से-
घर में,
Yes.
बाहर, coffee maker, everybody is talking RRR.
And it's so happy, you know, when
so rewarding for
yeah,
us.
it's so
as
rewarding.
सिनेमा एंजॉय करने के लिए और सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए तो होता है।
जी, absolutely.
इट्स
Very
अ
true, very
सेलिब्रेशन
true,
एंड
very true,
जब आप बड़े पर्दे पर इस तरह की फिल्म देखते हो एंड द फैंडम, जैसे कि आलिया ने उस दिन कहा कि वहाँ जिस तरह से लोग एक्सेप्ट करते हैं डाउन साउथ, वो हर एक परिवार का आप हिस्सा हो. इट्स नॉट लाइक अच्छा ये एक्टर है वो एक्टर, इट्स लाइक आर.
Yes.
और ये जब आप देखते हो लोगों के बीच में किस तरह का माहौल होता है व्हेन यू गो आउट, व्हेन यू मीट पीपल, डू यू गेट टू मीट पीपल, और क्या इतना आसान होता है? हाउ इज इट?
We live a normal life. Me and he, we don't go as much as any other person like our friends, but we do try to make an attempt because we have families. We have to take them out also for a
Our families
dinner.
demand normalcy.
Normalcy.
अच्छा
Yeah,
उनका
actually, yes. Families demand normalcy. जब आप एक फिल्म एसोसिएशन का एक हिस्सा बन चुके हो, you know, there is a kind of sacrifice which you already have to put in. But उससे ज़्यादा अगर you want to push it also, it's not right. You know, they want to have a normal life. I'm sure we want to have a normal life. So जितना we can, utna we try to maintain that.
Not try. He's a great husband, great father, and a great.
And so
brother.
is he. What? See,
Yeah.
it's
So you
I'm telling
are.
you. Yeah,
He-
you know,
he really
everybody.
puts
You know,
in a lot of
it's
effort.
it is
in
an actor's.
creating that normalcy for his family.
और
But I think we all have to. You know, already there's so much of an abnormalcy around us. Speaking about our fans or the worship they have, well, there needs to be a normalcy also in our house. And Rajmouli's house is also a institution for us to maintain that normalcy. He not only is a very good friend, but his family is also a very good institution for us, where we revisit, see how the atmosphere is there, and try to replicate that at our homes.
आप एक लेगेसी आप दोनों ही कैरी करते हो, आप तीनों इनफैक्ट, और
No,
वो
not me.
माहौल
They
आपने
too carry a
बचपन से ही
legacy.
देखा है। आपने बचपन से ही वो माहौल देखा है, फिल्मी एक माहौल आपने घर पे देखा है। आपका बचपन और आपके बच्चों का बचपन, क्या वो चीज़ आप यू वांट टू पुट दैट इन योर चाइल्ड, क्या करते हो आप, क्या बदलाव
Our
देखा?
parents have been the best. I'm sure none from his family has forced him to be an actor, become an actor. None from my family has forced me to become an actor. We had our own time off as normal kids. Our parenting was good, and maybe that's why we are here. And that is exactly what we want to replicate to our coming generations. Give them a chance to explore.
बिल्कुल, अपनी उनकी अपनी एक जर्नी है, अगर वो
Yes.
करना चाहते हैं वो
जी,
करेंगे,
हाँ,
ऐसा कहीं
हाँ,
और।
तो बस जितना एक्सपोजर आप उनको दे सकते हैं तो वो बेहतर है। अगर वो एक्सपोजर के बाद भी if they choose movies, why not? If they don't want to, well and good. So you need to give them that chance, a fair chance.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल।
Because we were given fair chance as kids. I think our generation, our next generation should also have a fair chance.
राम, आप कुछ शेयर करेंगे?
I mean, yeah.
How Chiranjeev Garu brought you up?
My dad, like the normalcy he was talking about, I saw that in my house. जब मैं बचपन में था, film magazines, film awards, और dad का ज़्यादा posters and paintings. Everything has to stop in the office. घर में, he's a normal father, not the megastar Chiranjeevi. He's a normal Chiranjeevi. I can say what I want to him. I can demand what I want if he's going wrong. My mom and he are like friends. Like I have seen my dad press my mom's legs when my mom's legs were hurting. So these are the small things from childhood which I take forward when I have a family. That shit, a man of that stature and this. I used to be like, Mom, why are you letting dad touch your feet? Dad, stop it. Like, what do you mean? It's my pleasure. The
So
woman who's
sweet.
taking care of
So
me,
sweet.
I have to take care of her. So these are the things. He doesn't directly tell us how to behave with our wives or our family members. Indirectly, that's the charm. Like they start behaving that way, and we are not stupid. You know, we are kids who are observing everything from
वही
our
तो सीखता है ना
grandparents.
बच्चा,
जी,
वही सीखता है जो आप
exposure.
देखते हो, अपने पेरेंट्स को देखते
Yeah.
हो, then you grow up like that. So I'm sure आपके पास भी बहुत सारी कहानियाँ होंगी. So if you want to share something from your end.
I have seen him massage and take care of Rama Garu a zillion times. In middle of a huge action sequence during Magadira, he was trying to press Rama Garu's shoulder if she had a catch. I've seen many traits of my dad in him.
I'm sure there are many good husbands, and there's a Rajamouli.
He's an exception.
So,
Imagine.
so you need to have a stage 3 warning when our families goes to Rajmali's house. Stunts performed, disclaimer niche, stunts performed by an experienced person, do not repeat.
Lastly,
No, my family has been my strength. They have been my critics, my supporters. Whatever I am today is because of my family. Some of my family members have already been in the industry, and some of them I pulled them into the industry, and they are my protective force.
फाइनली ये जो हुक स्टेप है मैं नहीं कहूँगी आप करो, लेकिन मैंने सुना है कि आपने बहुत वक्त उनको, मतलब यू जस्ट वांटेड इट करेक्ट, राइट? मतलब कैसे भी करके एज तारक आपने ही बताया था शायद प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में कि वो सही था, लेकिन वो चाह रहे थे कि नहीं, वो मतलब किस तरीके से वो हुआ
मतलब उनका वो विजन वही था, वो he wanted that perfect synchronization, and I'm telling you, right, ये ऐसे डायरेक्टर हैं, अगर उनको कुछ चाहिए
तो चाहिए,
तो बस चाहिए ही. He will move the mountains.
अब
He
इतनी
will tear the earth. He will, I'm telling you, we spoke in an interview, he will go fight with gods, devils, monsters, dinosaurs.
तभी तो ये क्रिएट होता है ना.
He will.
तभी तो
He
ये
will.
क्रिएट होता है.
Absolutely.
Seriously, I mean.
He will. And that's one quality which probably no other filmmaker has, or I don't know about will have. But that is this immense, mad quality he has in him.
So I'll tell you a secret. This is the last interview of the day.
Okay.
And
हाँ, secret के साथ जाऊँगी मैं.
and that was the last thing that we shot for RRR. We went to Bulgaria, and the song was the last thing that we shot. Ukraine, sorry. Went to Ukraine to shoot that, and I was working with them for 3 years. I'll have so much of frustration, anger, all built up. Actually, the first shot was okay. I made them
I
do
saw
it for
you
80.
I knew it. I told him it's fine. He was like, you know, there the hand went like that. I was like, now you're like torturing her, wanted. I knew there was something wrong
वो
with it.
last था ना?
Yeah, that was his
वो
revenge.
last.
वो जो 3 साल का frustration था ना, वो
उसमें
पूरा
निकला.
ऐसा he just took that revenge.
थैंक यू सो मच. और उस रिवेंज वाली बात की है तो बैठ के ही वो व्हाट वाज दैट स्टेप?
This, it goes like that and then here and then this.
उन्होंने करके दिखाया था क्या आपको?
जी हाँ, नहीं अब वो करेंगे.
कर-
8th में करवा के दिखाऊंगा. वो वीडियो मैं शेयर करूंगा कि अब नाचो आप.
थैंक यू सो मच.
नाच बसंती.
थैंक यू गाइस. और मतलब ये कहने की मतलब बेस्ट विशेस तो सब देते ही है, बट वी आर श्योर दैट दिस फिल्म इज गोइंग टू रॉक लाइक ऑलवेज, क्योंकि वो डेडिकेशन, वो प्यार और वो जो दोस्ती दिखती है ना, वो पॉजिटिविटी इज द मेन थिंग. दैट्स व्हाट आई
Thank you so much.
Thank you
Thank you
very
so
much.
much for
Thank you.
coming to us.